While break is a great time to relax and recharge, it's also the perfect opportunity to set yourself up for success. Whether that's summer break, winter break, spring break, or anything in between, there's so much that you can be doing to set yourself up for future success. Whether you're looking to gain additional experience, build your network, or get ahead professionally, there are plenty of ways to make the most of your break as a Fordham student. And don't forget, many of our student services are still available during the break to support you. For example, if summer break is right around the corner, we're here. If winter break is around the corner, we're here. So we really are so excited to help you get ahead. First up, though, is professional development. Break is a great time to upskill through online courses and learning platforms like Forage, Coursera, edX, Allison, and Parker Dewey. When it comes to Forage, this is a fantastic resource that will allow you to gain experience through job simulations. So these modules will actually simulate what it's like to have these opportunities through the specific employer. So if an employer posts that job simulation, you can engage with what it's like to have an internship at that specific company. Through Coursera, edX, and Allison, these are fantastic resources to supplement your education. So if Fordham doesn't offer a class in something you're looking to do, this is where I would turn to, as many of these are put up by very reputable universities. Then Parker Dewey is also a great resource. This will allow you to engage in micro internships, which are real internships set up by different organizations. And don't forget about Handshake. That's our go-to resource for job and internship listings, career events, and professional development tools. Now, it's also the perfect time to update your professional profiles and documents. Take a moment to set up or update your LinkedIn profile, add new experiences to Handshake, submit your experiences in the experience survey, or use Fordham's resume and cover letter templates to polish your applications. We have so many different resources on Handshake that can really help you enhance your chances when it comes to your application. Trust me, in the future, you will thank you for getting these things in order now. Then networking is also a powerful tool. Use this break to connect with professionals and fellow Rams through Ram Connect, LinkedIn, employer events on Handshake, and any other ways that you can really engage with alumni. Ram Connect is something that we are really promoting because it allows you to connect with alumni on Fordham's own premier alumni network. We have so many alumni and students joining that network constantly, and it's the kind of place where people are more likely to actually get back to you. Ultimately, a simple message to an alum or recruiter can open doors you never expected, whether that's Ram Connect, LinkedIn, or any other platform that you're using. If you're looking to gain hands-on experience, consider part-time jobs or volunteer opportunities. They help build your skills, expand your network, and make your resume stand out. Part-time jobs, internships, volunteer work, these are all great experiences that you can have during your break that will take your resume and your chances of future success to the next level. Remember, all experiences build skills and your story. Lastly, while professional growth is important, so is your mental and physical health. Break is a great time to reset and recharge and refuel, whether it's spending time with family, traveling, or just taking a break. Make sure to prioritize your well-being. After all, balance is key, Rams. Work hard, but don't forget to enjoy your break. So there you have it. Whether you're focusing on professional development, organizing your career materials, networking, or gaining experience, Fordham has plenty of resources to support you. Have a fantastic break, and we'll see you back on campus soon. Thank you.